My name is Safiya Abdullah. I'm a designer. I work on content creation, designs, and pretty much run my business from home. As soon as I started making kind of quantities for things, I found it very difficult to store items, to store the fabric and everything in my house. To feel inspired in a cluttered space is problematic.
We had a meeting with Safiya, sat down and understood her requirements, what does she like, what she doesn't like. The inspiration came straight from Safiya, and she was very sure she wanted the chic boho style. The only challenge we had was Safiya's requirement to serve this room as a guest bedroom. We at IKEA have solutions for these kind of multifunctional spaces, and we were able to solve this challenge for her.
Having a client in this room does feel like a showroom, a studio, everything all in one, and it's beautiful. So it's going to help me facilitate all the dreams and all of the aspirations I have for the brand right now. Every time I use something, I'll put it exactly where it's meant to be because there's literally a place for everything.
And we sell a lot of multifunctional products inside the store, which helps our customers make home a space that changes with them.